Good morning, and welcome to There You Go Fishing. Decided to come back to this pond. Feeling a little bit under the weather, so didn't take the boat out this weekend. But hey, you know, let's see what we can do today. First fish of the day. It's a good one. Ooh, that is a good one. Oh yeah. Goody. Let's start out with a 3-4. It's a good fish. Oh. It's a goodie. Nine. Definitely smaller today. 3-1. What a completely different day. So I rigged up this floating fly with a dragonfly, because that is almost all they were feeding on last time I was here. And now there's zero topwater. Haven't seen a single hit on top. And the bite has completely changed. Slowed down dramatically. I think I'm gonna have to slow down my entire presentation. Nothing on the underspin. Completely different day. It's only been a couple days. God, yeah. Oh, that's a giant. That's the biggest of today, that's for sure. Oh yeah, that's a piggy. That is a piggy. Oh yeah. She's got some weight to her. That's what I'm talking about. 4-5. Best one of the day so far. Here he comes.
Got him. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy.
Oh, yes. Oh, big boy. Come on, baby. Come in. Come in here. Yeah. Yes. Well, you can see me put my whole hand in his mouth. Oh man, I can't even get that out. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Woo-hoo. There's what I'm talking about. 5'4". Ooh, piggy. Release this piggy. Oh, wrong way, buddy. You want to come back. Chunky. That's a chunky. That's a chunk. Come on, baby. Oh, he is not happy. Come on, baby. Behave, behave. Oh, yes. All right. About a 3.5. Jump. I'll get right away. Oh, out of the water. That was cool. That was cool. Woo. He is wound up. No, just leave it alone, baby. Leave it alone. Whew, man, all chunky fish. They're turning on now, guys. They're turning on now. Ooh, undercat. Hey, buddy, give me time. All due time. Yeah, that was cool. Man, I wish I hit record just a second earlier. That was a cool bite. That was a cool bite. He followed it. Yes. Again. Ooh. Just chunky fish, man. Right in the upper mouth, upper lip. A little thicker. Say about 3.5 though, still. But a goodie. Whoa, I'm going to there, dude. This might be a little interesting to get. That's pretty cool. Ah. So I thought I had the biggest bass in the world. Look at that scale, guys. Grass carp.